brand brings a refined lifestyle edge to its latest performance sneaker with the Air Jordan 40 Blue Suede, dropping August 20, 2025, for $200. This edition follows the model's strong debut earlier in the year, reinforcing the brand's strategy to merge style with tech-forward performance. Soft blue suede wraps the upper for a sleek tonal look, while black nubuck overlays on the collar and heel add contrast. Built with Zoom air cushioning and a lightweight internal structure, it retains athletic functionality despite its streetwear-friendly appeal. A sculpted white midsole disrupts the muted palette, and a translucent icy outsole completes the polished finish. This release signals a shift in focus from court performance to lifestyle versatility, allowing sneaker fans to experience comfort and style beyond the hardwood. The Air Jordan 40 Blue Suede stands as a clean evolution, sporty in build, subtle in tone, and confidently positioned between legacy and lifestyle.